Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a money cake. And to make a money cake you need styrofoam. In this case I'm going to be making a 2-tier money cake because I just have one packet of mint. It doesn't have to be a very big denomination because for the purpose of this video I'm going to be using 100 naira note. This is what it looks like. Then you're gonna need scissors, you're gonna need ribbon, you need glue, sellotape, paper sellotape for this. So let's start this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share it to somebody who needs it, and if you have suggestions on the kind of video you'd like to see, you can head right on to my Instagram and you can have a chat with me. I really love it when people from YouTube come to Instagram and we have a conversation. Without further ado, let's start this video. I'm just going to cut lots of it a little bit and just stick it to the table because I'll be needing it for my money. Now I'm going to be working with the money. When working with money, please, this is not food cooking. You don't have the opportunity to taste. So trust me, when this gift gets to the owner, by then the sender of the gift will inform the owner of the gift that this is how much that should be found on the gift, so you cannot take anyone out of it. And one more thing, when delivering this kind of cake, you must go with the cake. You do not have the liberty of delivering it with an Uber to avoid stories that touch the heart, because this is money. So first we're going to start by folding or wrapping, or you're going to choose where you want to use. If you're going to use this part, you stick to this part, or if you're going to use this part, you stick to this part. Alternatively, you can do it in a way that the upper part could be this part and the lower part could be this part, just for it to be in sync and not looking all confused. So I'm going to be working with this part because it looks fine now. So I'm going to be folding from this other end and roll it till they can see the eye of Chief Obafemi. Can you see that? Yeah, that's what I want to do. I'll cut it into half so as to give it a neat work and to make it easy for the person who is unraveling the money to unravel it without so much stress. So this is what it should look like with the eye of
Obafemi Awolowo.
So that's what I'm going to do to all this money. Yo, this is everything. So I'm going to start mounting them, but before I start mounting it, I'm going to work on my styrofoam. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. But please note that I ended up using a transparent sellotape for this because the other type was actually snapping, so I didn't have that time, and the other one was working better, so I used it. So you can also use the transparent sellotape for this, and it's transparent, you won't see it. It's just perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm just basically, and this is the gluey part of the sellotape. So this gluey part, I'm going to fold it like this, to make like a circle like this. So I have the gluey part. Then I'm going to place it on the cake so that I can have the non-gluey part inside and the gluey part outside. I'm just going to place it like this on the styrofoam. I want to ensure that this stays in the middle. This is the reason why I brought the gummy part outside, so that when I get to this point it will hold it. I'm just going to cut this off Do this and cut off the excess, and this glues to the gummy part. Yes, I'm going to show you how I will mount the money to the cake. Like I said, I want to keep seeing the eye of Obafemi Awolowo, the eyeglass. So, which is what I'm doing here. So I'm going to continue it that way, that same way. Okay, this is what it looks like. I'm done covering it. But it turns out the money is not the money I have left here is not so much. So I'm going to use the smaller styrofoam. Only that this one is not looking so fine like that. It has seen better days. So I'm going to cover this up and use it for the second part. I'm going to transfer this to a board. For this video, I'm going to be using a beautiful board I just got. I'm so excited to show you guys. I have two of it, but I don't know which one to use. I have pink and I have gold. But since I'm using the gold ribbon, I might have to use gold. This is the pink one and this is the gold one. So I'm just going to place it on the board and see which one I'm going to use and which one looks so fine. Okay, this is what the pink looks like. This is what the gold looks like. I think I'll go with the gold because it looks like my ribbon. So the next step is just me tying it down. The normal conventional way of tying something. That's what I'm tying here. This is just to secure the money together. I'm going to cut this, or you can tie it again if you want, for insurance sake. So after I'm done tying it, I'm just going to cut this. You can do a one-tier money cake. Nobody says it has to be two-tier. You can just put a flower, put some money on top of here. Just be creative about it. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. This video is very easy to make, but the hardest part is the part where you roll the money. So try this video out. Try this out. I can't call it recipe. Try this out. Tag me on Instagram. Recreate it. You can be innovative. You can use anything to decorate your money cake. You can be unique. You can try something different. So this is my very fast, easy way to make a money cake. You can also contract us for this too. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please, let's grow this channel together. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. These flowers are artificial flower. I only just placed them under the stem under the styrofoam. Then these are just flowers. You can glue it to the top and you can just place them like I just did. So this is the end of the beautiful video. I'll see you in my next one.